Here we have an Edco line remover. It's powered by a Honda gasoline engine. And we're going to run it and show you that it works. This thing has a kickstand, a brake. So take that off and then you can roll it. We are going to show you the grinding wheel first before we get started here. Choke it, you got to push this lever all the way over, and then you pull this rope, and then it does have a couple of height adjusters. So this way would be to go down, and you can tell that this section here is going lower than the frame. Okay, and then you also have this adjustment here. Okay, so we'll go back up here. And it's also got a pressure control, which you can set as well. And when you turn that, it'll show you your pressure setting over here. We'll go like 1 inch. Okay. And the pressure setting. Okay, so that's your sample right there. And this is the Edco line remover.